get you some. Oh, yeah. Mate, it's lucky she can cook. Wow! G'day lovelies, and welcome back. Alright, footy starts in 40 minutes. I reckon some quick nachos will go down a treat tonight. I'll write the recipe below as always. Alright, up first we're going to need a baking tray with baking paper, a 200 gram packet of corn chips. I'm trying out the Woolies ones today. And we need 1 cup of grated cheddar cheese. Now you want to spread them out as best you can, and we want to sprinkle our cup of grated cheese over them. Once we've done that, we'll set it aside till we need it. Now we want to preheat our oven to 180 degrees Celsius. So for the meat mix, we need 500 grams of beef mince, 1 onion chopped small, a 300 gram jar of tomato salsa. It's up to you if you want mild or hot. And a 420 gram can of red kidney beans. We want to get our kidney beans out the can into a strainer, and then we want to rinse them really well under the water until all the water goes clear. Then we'll just set them aside to drain for a minute. Now we need to chop our onion up nice and small. Once we've done that, we're ready to go. Now we can grab out a fry pan, medium heat, a little bit of oil or butter, onion, and we want to break all our meat up. Alright, and then we want to chop it up and keep flicking it around, and we want to brown it really well to almost cooked. Alright, put in our beans, toss them around for half a minute. Just turn it off for a sec so you can see. Okay, now we add our salsa. And like a little bit of water in the bottom, let's say 1/4 cup. Alright, mix it through really well. Okay, so now we want to simmer it for 5 to 10 minutes until everything's really warm and simmered through. If it looks like it's going to get too dry, just add a little bit more water. And then if you want to thicken up the sauce after, you just simmer it for a bit longer. 5 to 10 minutes, this will be beautiful. So while this is simmering, we're going to make the, I don't even know what you call it, I can't remember, the thing with the avocado and that we put on top. Oh, it smells awesome already. To make the avocado stuff, we're going to need 1 avocado, 2 Roma tomatoes. Now they're huge, so I'm going to use 1 1/2 of them. And we need half a small red onion, so I'm going to cut that a little bit less than half. And we need some lemon juice. Alright, let's see if I can remember this or not. Okay, so the avocado, cut down, around, through to the other side, hopefully. Then we're supposed to, like so. Oh, I hope I've got that in camera. And then without shoving my hand, I'm supposed to go and then twist and pull that out. And then we want to scrape it out into a bowl. Then we want to chop it up and then mash it. I'll just mash it with the fork. Alright, a couple of minutes the meat will be ready. I'm just going to stick a lid on it and turn it off so it stays warm until we're ready for it. And now we want to get our 1 small red onion, and we want half of that small red onion chopped up really, really small and thrown into the avocado. So the meat's ready. Basically, once all the liquid's absorbed, she's ready. Okay, now these are huge. They're not supposed to be that big. So I'm going to use 1 1/2. Chop it up really, really small and chuck it in there. Alright, I basically use 1 tomato because I swear they're huge. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And then gently mix it all through. Right, we've now got our avocado stuff ready to go. Our meat is ready to go. Our oven is up to temperature. Now we want to bang our chips in there for approximately 5 minutes until the cheese has melted. Well, there you have it, lovelies. The easiest, most Moorish nachos ever. You have to give them a crack. Your family is going to love them. Serves 4. Thank you so much for watching. have yourselves an awesome night, and I'll see you soon. Toodles.